Good morning to good evening to all. This is Meena. I am from ECB section. My roll number is 23401 unit. Today explain about the in environmental subjects. In the subject, my topic was effect of industrial solid waste pollution. Introduction to industrial solid waste pollution. Now let us discuss. Industrial solid waste pollution refers to the byproducts generated by industrial activities. These waste can include materials like metals, plastics, chemicals, and other hazardous substances. Understanding its effects is essential for environmental protection and public health. Types of industrial solid wastes. Common types of industrial solid wastes include construction debris, manufacturing scraps, and chemical residues. Which type of waste has unique properties that can impact the environment differently? Identifying these types is crucial for developing effective waste management strategies. Envir- environmental Environmental impact. Industrial solid waste can contaminate soil and waste resources, leading to ecosystem degradation. Pollutants can accumulate in the food chain, posing risk to wildlife and human health. The release of hazardous materials can also contribute to air pollution and climate changes. Another one is health risk for solid waste pollution. Exposure to industrial solid waste can result in severe health issues, including respiratory problems and cancer. Vulnerable pollutions, including children and the elderly, are particularly at risk. Long term exposure can lead to chronic health conditions and reduce quality of life. Economic consequences to solid waste pollutions. The presence of industrial solid waste can decrease property values in affected areas. Cleanup efforts and healthcare costs associated with pollution can strain local economies. Sustainable waste management practices can help mitigate these economic impacts. Regulatory frameworks. Governments have established regulations to manage and reduce industrial solid waste pollution. Compliance with these regulations is crucial for industries to minimize their environmental footprints. Effective enforcement can lead to significant improvements in waste management practices. Waste management strategies. Implementing recycling and reuse programs can significantly reduce industrial solid waste. Technologies such as waste to energy conversion can help manage waste while generating energy. Education and community involvement are essential for promoting sustainable waste practices to mm, case studies. Successful case studies demonstrate how industries have reduced their solid waste output. Companies implementing zero waste policies have seen both environmental and economic benefits. Learning from these examples can guide other industries in improving their waste management to pollution. Future trends. Advances in technology will play a critical role in managing industrial solid waste more effectively. Circular economic model promote the continuous use of resources, minimizing waste generation. Stakeholder collaboration is essential for creating innovative solutions to industrial waste challenges. Conclusion for solid waste pollution. Industrial solid waste pollution poses a significant risk to the environment and human health. Effective management and reduction strategies are essential for a sustainable future. Collective efforts by industries, governments, and communities can lead to meaningful of change. This is about the industrial solid pollution topic. Thank you, sir. And some references are United Nations Environment Program, Solid Waste Management in the Industrial, Universal Environmental Protection Agency's 2022, Industrial Waste Management, World Health Organization 23 Health Risk of. Thank you, sir.